Yes, students, the EV topic of PT1 is to study the greenhouse effect. Okay, so in this topic, we will learn about what is greenhouse effect, what are its causes, and what will be the effect of this effect. Clear? So the first is, please observe this picture carefully. So the energy is coming from sun, and it will provide warmth to the earth. Clear? So what will happen? The gases that are present in the atmosphere of earth will absorb this heat. Clear? And the light will pass through it. Okay, but the heat is trapped in that air. Okay, so the atmosphere become warm. So what is greenhouse effect? What is its definition? The phenomenon whereby the Earth's atmosphere traps solar radiation. The Earth is trapping the solar radiation. In the presence of, there are certain types of gases that are trapping this sunlight. Okay, and it is called greenhouse effect. Clear? So due to the excessive burning of the fossil fuel, what will happen? For example, wood and fossil fuels, there is increase in greenhouse gases. So what are the greenhouse gases? Then the name of the gases is carbon dioxide, methane, and there are also water vapors that will trap the heat. So these are the greenhouse gases. Okay, if we increase the amount, if we burn the fossil fuel, what will happen? The amount of carbon dioxide will increase. Okay, and by which this greenhouse effect will also increase. Clear? The picture is clear to you all that the energy is coming from the sun, that it will provide warmth to the earth, by which the atmosphere will trap some heat, the gases will trap heat, and it will make the atmosphere very warm. Okay, and next is greenhouse. So it is these greenhouses are used where the temperature is very low. Clear? Means in the countries where it is cold and the temperature is very low. Okay, so what is a greenhouse? You are able to see that it will help to trap the heat. Okay, and there are plants are grown in this greenhouse so that they will also get that much of sunlight. Clear? These are useful in the countries that have cold climate. See this picture, and this you are seeing that the greenhouse has glass or transparent plastic roof, and also the walls are also made up of plastic. So what will happen in the present, if there is solar radiation, then it will absorb that radiation and then it will heat it up. It means it warms up. Okay, a part of the radiation, some part is reflected out and some part is trapped inside that house. Okay, that will help the plants in sustaining their life. Clear? So it is very useful in the places where there is no proper sunlight is there. Okay, that does not receive that much of sunlight. Now next, so what are the gases? I have talked about greenhouse gases. So what are the gases? It contains carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and the F gas. So what is there? The F gas is also called as a fluorinated gas. Okay, that means it contains fluorine. There, it is an element similar to if there is an carbon and oxygen, you have heard about it. But fluorinated gas, that means it contains fluorine. Okay, you will study, you will learn about it in the further classes. Okay, so first is carbon dioxide. It is the major component that is responsible for the greenhouse effect. Okay, 82%. So what is happening? It is coming from the burning of any fossil fuel, and it is also coming from the factories of cement, steel. That means industry, it is 14%, and commercial and residential 9%. That means we are burning the fossil fuel. It emits, when we are burning any fossil fuel, it will release carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. Clear? And the next is transportation, where the vehicles that use diesel and petrol, they also emit some gases. Okay, so the gas carbon dioxide is also released from that vehicles. Electricity, when we produce electricity from coal or natural gas, it will also produce or emit carbon dioxide. Clear? Methane, you have heard about methane. We get it from the biogas plant. When we prepare when we decompose a human excreta in this plant, in the biogas plant, then methane is released. Okay, and the nitrous oxide, it will, from where it is coming? It is coming from the, it is coming from the remains in the air जो कि remains रह जाते हैं, ठीक है, उनमें से जो रिलीज होती है वो है नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड. And fluorinated gas, it is released from the refrigerators. Clear? There is some gas that is produced from the refrigerator also. It is the fluorinated gas. Clear? Now next is so you all seen that. Now we will discuss the effects of this greenhouse effect. What will happen if the greenhouse effect keep on increasing? It is a natural phenomena. Okay, it is useful for the earth also. If there is no greenhouse effect, तो कोई भी life possible ही नहीं होती. ठीक है, तो ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट एक नेचुरल फिनोमिना है जो कि हमें हेल्प करता है. बट द ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज आर इंक्रीजिंग दिस इफेक्ट. जो ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज, जो हमारी एक्टिविटीज हम कर रहे हैं, उससे ये ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो रहा है. ओके, एंड इट इज इंक्रीजिंग एट अ फास्टर रेट. Why it is increasing at faster rate? Because we are cutting the trees, deforestation. Okay, because plants use this carbon dioxide and release oxygen for the process, by the process of photosynthesis. If we are cutting the plants or we are deforesting, then what will happen? This carbon dioxide will not be absorbed by the plants, so it will remain in the environment. Clear? So it will increase the greenhouse effect. And the second reason is that the burning of the fuel, or the fossil fuel and wood, it is also a cause of the greenhouse effect. So next, what will happen if this greenhouse effect is kept on increasing? If there is an, if the, you are saying that जो उससे जो हीट आ रही है, वो जो अर्थ है वो ट्रैप कर रही है. So the earth will get warm, hot हो जाएगा. Yes. Then what will happen? Then there is an increase in the temperature of the earth. Clear? जो जितनी heat जो observe करेगा, then there will be, obviously there is an increase in the temperature. So due to that increase in temperature, global warming takes place. Okay, what is global warming? So there is the unnatural increase in the Earth's temperature. It is called the global warming. This happens due to the greenhouse effect. Clear? Some gases, that the greenhouse gases will trap that heat, and what will happen? The temperature of the earth will increase, okay, by which it will cause harm to the living organisms also. Clear? Now what will be the harm that it is causing? Due to the increase in temperature, what will happen? There is melting of ice caps, that is the polar ice caps and the glaciers. Okay, वो ज्यादा पिघल जाएंगे, and then what will happen? So वो there is increase in the amount, and then water will flow to the, there will be increase in the sea level also. Okay, by which the coastal areas will submerge. Clear? So these are the possible effects. Also, there is an increase in the average temperature. I am talking about the average temperature. Clear? So the next, what are the solutions by which you can decrease this greenhouse effect? You can grow more and more plants. Okay, afforestation is an solution to this. Clear? And you can also use alternate sources of energy. Reduce the use of fossil fuels. Start using the alternative sources of energy. That means solar energy you can use, and wind energy you can also use. Clear? So these are the solution. You can also reduce the use of vehicles that produce carbon dioxide, because it is the maximum effect of carbon dioxide is there in the greenhouse effect. The average temperature of all over the earth is 15 degrees Celsius. If greenhouse effect is keep on increasing, then the average temperature will change. Clear? So if there is an, so if the amount of gases, amount of the greenhouse effect will increase beyond a certain limit, what will happen? There will be increase in temperature, which is called the global warming. So you see that this is not only in India, it is not affecting the India, it is affecting the whole countries. That means it is affecting globally. Clear? So I am concluding here that what is global warming and what is greenhouse effect. The phenomena whereby the Earth's atmosphere traps the solar radiation because of the presence of gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and also water vapor. This is called greenhouse effect. And what is global warming? There is an increase in the temperature of Earth, and its average temperature is increased. So this is called the global warming. Clear? It is due to the carbon dioxide.